verse 23. And now, but woe unto them that are of Job, and to them that get sucked in those days.
See that the Bible tells you, man, in the last days, woe unto the women that are with child, women that don't have a righteous man around them, women that think they can do this on their own. Read it again.
Luke 21 and 23.
Come on.
But woe unto them that are of Job.
Woe unto them that are with child. And that's the women that have children, but also the women that's single, don't have no husband. In these last days, it's going to be serious out here.
9:45.
This is what the
Hold up. There's a time and a place for everything. No. That's not. There's a time and a place for everything, sis. No. Discretion.
For there shall be great distress in the land.
So that's just in general. In general. You see what I'm saying? We talk about women in general, the ones that don't have no husband
Right.
in these last days, especially the ones that have children and don't have no husband. Because it's going to be serious in these last days. We don't.
For there shall be great distress in the land, and wrath upon this people.
There shall be great distress in the land, and wrath upon these people. But you gotta be aggressive sometimes. You gotta go out there, and see what happens. You know what I mean? Because it's gonna be serious in these last days. That's the bottom line. It's gonna be serious in these last days. And the white man, that's what the family structure has to be intact. But that's when he goes after the family structure. But the family structure has to be intact. The family structure is broken down. That's where all the issues come from. Right. That's what Deuteronomy 28 is talking about.
Right.
Broken down in the family structure. Read on.
Verse 24. And they shall fall by the edge of the sword.
Who was going to fall by the edge of the sword? That's talking about the Israelites, man. The Israelites was going to fall by the edge of the sword. And that happened to us today.
Right.
We fell by the edge of the sword. Okay? When you go into the scriptures and you go into different scriptures in Romans, this is what Paul is talking about. He knew that this was going to happen. There was going to be a day when the Gentiles were going to take our land. And the Gentiles are taking our land down. Okay, that's why in Jerusalem, in this present time, they got homosexual marriages out there. They have gay marriages. They having gay parades in Jerusalem. It's supposed to be the holy city, the Mecca. What they got? Gay marriages and gay parades out there. Because the Gentiles is in there. We're not in our proper position. If we was in our proper position, all of that would be smashed.
Right.
When the Lord put the righteous men in power, all of that's going to be smashed. But the righteous man is not in power. We don't have no major power, see? And that's why these things is happening on the earth. But the earth will be intact when the righteous man comes back. Okay, read.
And shall be led away captive into all nations.
And the Lord says what?
And shall be led away captive into all nations.
It's going to be led away captive from all nations. That's why so-called 12 tribes of Israel, 12 tribes of Israel is in all nations on the face of the earth. Capture them all the way going to Thailand and Vietnam. Okay, there's a brother that went over to Vietnam and he told me that you had black women with afros and cheeky eyes talking about, do you know my father? And their father was black. But they was all the way in the back, in the ghettos in Vietnam. And they had afros and they had cheeky eyes. And they had bodies like the sisters. And they was asking him, do you know my father?
Right.
Because I haven't seen him because he disappeared after Vietnam. This was an actual fact. So we're all in all nations. Okay? We've been led away in all nations. Read. But they look like Israel out there. And brothers get bogged out. You know what I mean? Oh, anybody from Vietnam is not in Israel. They look like Israel. Read. Come on.
And shall be led away captive into all nations.
He's going to be led away captive in all nations. Come on.
And Jerusalem shall be trodden down of the Gentiles.
And Jerusalem is going to be trodden down in the Gentiles. Come on.
Until until the time of the Gentiles be fulfilled.
And now you're seeing the time of the Gentiles being fulfilled. Now with the time of the Gentiles being fulfilled, that's why all this destruction is happening. It's about to be chaos in America. Real soon it's going to be chaos. In 2 weeks, you got about 10 million people coming off of unemployment. You can't fill all them jobs.
Right.
Okay? They ain't going to be able to get all them jobs. Okay? And it's chaos. The whole place is destroyed. See, they asked Como before he left, was he going to extend the unemployment? Well, he did something with Elder Zabach did. Nope. No more got his own problem. He didn't give a damn about the unemployment.
Right.
Yeah.
He had to resign.
Right.
He said no. And the woman, they said no. And Biden just lost out. Biden looks like he got old time.
Right.
So what Biden is right
God.
now.
God.
But they're making that because of Kamala Harris. She's going to take over.
Con.
Okay? So they're going down. Now you know that's going to get the white man upset. Because you already had a black man, a so-called black man, who's really a Hamite. Now you got a black woman, a so-called black woman, who's really an East Indian. But now she's going to be president. So it's going to be chaos. It's going to be chaos. Read on.
Verse 25. And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations.
The distress of nations. Nations are going to be angry. Nations are going to be upset. Distress, chaos, confusion. Right now, they thought they was going to conquer Afghanistan. You ain't conquering Afghanistan. You can't conquer Afghanistan. No, the Russians, America was on the Afghanistan side to get the Russians out of it. Back in the day, they gave them money to get the Russians out of it. Okay, and stop the Russians from conquering. Now Russia comes back on the scene, and now Russia's with Afghanistan, telling them, no, America ain't gonna control this.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? So it's chaos. Biden talking foolishness, talking about he's gonna leave August 31st. They told him ain't no negotiation. You gotta leave August 31st.
Right.
You're talking about America, well, we're gonna just leave. No, the Afghanistan, the Taliban, they told him, no, you leave it. It ain't no negotiation. You leave in August 31st, man. We don't want you here no more. You've been 20 years here. And you went in there to control the heroin trade. That's why the opium crisis is so crazy. Because the pure heroin comes out of Afghanistan. That's why they went in there to control that trade. Okay? That's why you got all type of dope heads all over the country now. But the opium crisis hit them. See, they was looking at the opium crisis was going to hit us. You see what I'm saying? Before that came out, that's why they made that movie was American Gangster with Denzel Washington. Right before that opium crisis came in, they made the movie American Gangster because they were trying to set you up to go that route like you did back in the days under Superfly and Scarface. Because every big time drug dealer watched Scarface before he became a drug dealer. I guarantee you, every big time drug dealer you know thinks he's Tony Montana. See what I'm saying? So, and we're back then in the 70s. All those drug dealers that were Smith & Co. that had the perm in their head, they watch Superman. That's how these movies influence you. Now they got another movie, 50 Cent. He got a movie coming out about the Black Mafia family. They got another movie to show now on Star King, which is nothing but a drug dealer show, a lot of sex, and all type of stuff. They put most our culture, man.
Power Book 3.
Power 3. It's polluting our culture, man.
Canaan.
You want to be a gangster, or you want to live that life.
Right.
And you glorify that life.
Right.
And they glorify, they let you glorify that life, man. It's wicked, man.
This is the book of Proverbs, chapter 29, verse 2.
Read on.
When the righteous are in authority,
The Bible says when the righteous is in authority, come on.
the people rejoice.
The righteousness is in authority. It ain't wickedness. Wickedness ain't ruling the earth. But the Bible says when the righteous is in authority, people rejoice. Come on.
But when the wicked bear fruit,
And when the wicked man rules, It's a wicked vibration on this earth. The devil's in control.
Right.
Okay? He's not really in control, but
Right.
Lord allow him to rule this earth. But he has a time. We Job 14 and 5.
Joe, hold that for me. Come.
He has a time. The devil has a time. You see what I'm saying? But those movies, they play the serious part on our culture.
Right.
They glorify that life too much. Like all of them, like Boys in the Hood, all those old movies. Now I got time to watch them back.
Right.
Okay, because they all on cable. They all on cable, so you can watch all them movies back. They was off, brother. They glorified that life. All right, you had Ice Cube. He always talking about Ice Cube was in Boys to Men. You know what I mean? He probably never did no serious time, but he's in the movie. He gonna glorify that they actually he just came home. He gonna working out. Sure, that's all. You get big. Get big in the joint. You work out. You know they glorify the joint like it's something that's good. They glorify it. They want our kids being gangsters. They want our women prostituting themselves. That's why they got Nicki Minaj. That's why they got Cardi B. They want them using their body to get what they want.
Right.
They want our men being gangsters, thinking they gangsters.
That's right.
Thinking they G's. They want them in that life.
Right.
Because that's sending you right to the penitentiary.
Right.
And that's where they want you. Bring it.
This is the book of Revelation, chapter 12, verse 9.
Bring it on.
And the great dragon was cast out.
Come on.
That old serpent.
Way back from the Garden of Eden, the great dragon was cast out. That old serpent, come on.
That old serpent called the devil
Come on, the devil, come on.
and Satan,
Come on.
which deceiveth the whole world.
Deceived the whole world.
He was cast out.
He would deceive the whole world. And he's deceiving the world now. That's why nobody's fighting against these vaccines.
Right.
Everybody got masks on. Everybody's taking vaccines. Because the devil has deceived the world.
Right.
A vaccine that you don't know nothing about.
Right.
You don't know nothing really about.